2019 Leaving Cert Higher Level Paper 2, question 3 was on the circle. First part is about substitution. You should be able to see minus 2k is on the circle. And it gives us the equation of the circle. So if we sub in minus 2k, minus 2 for x and k for y, we're just going to get, or we could just leave y alone, probably just leave y alone actually. We're going to get an equation, a quadratic equation, and it asks us to find two values. So two values should jump out at you, quadratic equation. So let's sub minus 2 in for x. We're going to get minus 2 to be squared plus y minus 3 to be squared is equal to 65. So minus 4 squared is 16 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 minus 65 equals 0. So we're going to get y squared minus 6y. We have a 16 plus 9 is 25. Take away 65 is minus 40 equals 0. And it should factorize quite quickly for us. We can see 10 fours are 40. And we need a minus 6y. So minus 10 plus 4. So y is equal to 10 or minus 4, which would mean that k is equal to 10 or minus 4. So part B of this question is a tangent to a circle question, and the x and y axis are both tangents to the circle. Find the equation of the circle. So we know that this distance here is the same distance as this distance here because they're both radiuses. So anytime we have the x and y axis as tangents, in this sector it's going to be xx or yy. It doesn't matter which one you use. And we know the perpendicular distance is also the radius. So that's going to be x2. So we can fill this information into our perpendicular distance formula, ax1 plus by1 plus c. I think it's probably the easiest way to do this question, over the square root of a squared plus b squared. That's going to be equal to the perpendicular distance from the line to the center, which we know is going to be x. So a is equal to 3, so we have 3x. B is equal to minus 4, so we have minus 4x, because our x and y, these guys, the y and the x are the same. And then plus c, which is plus 6, over the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which you have seen hundreds of times at this point, is going to be 5. So minus x plus 6 over 5 is equal to x. And we're not using the absolute value here because we know that we're in the positive sector. So minus x plus 6 is equal to 5x. So 6x is 6. So x is 1. So the equation of a circle with radius 1 and the center is 1, 1. So nice and easy. We know is x minus 1 to be squared. Just take these values, put them in here and change the sign. Plus y minus 1 to be squared is equal to the radius squared, which is 1. So a nice easy circle question, 2019.